Alright guys, so I'm going to show you change your ear tips for your Beats Studio buds. Now, first of all, so within the box, you guys should have a packet. And within here, so they actually give you a couple extra ones. So we have both a smaller and a larger. Alright, so for the buds. Now, for a lot of these from other brands, they're actually more complicated. So with this, you're just gonna grab onto any part really of the ear tip. So there's a lot of ways to do it, but I just do it like this. So you don't have to use your nails, just in between your fingers, and just pull it off. So yeah, you shouldn't have to worry about it breaking or anything. And let's just put on one of the smaller. Alright. Now these are all the same, so it doesn't matter. There's not like a left or right version. But you guys see that we have the hole, and this part is circular. So just put the circular part inside the hole. And you're just gonna push down. So when you're pushing down, you guys should feel the circle with your finger right here on the left side. So you don't have to push that hard, but yeah, it should be under very securely. Definitely not gonna fall off. So let me just pull this one off. And we'll put on a large. All right, so now for a large. So again, just line up the circular part with the inside circle. And once you're lined up, just push down until you feel it, the circular part with your left side. In this case, my thumb. And yeah, guys, see, it's not gonna fall off. And one more way, if you want to, you can take it off this way if you want. Really, a lot of ways to take it off. But yeah, it shouldn't require a lot of force or anything. All right, guys, so hopefully this helped out.